Hey, what's going on YouTube? Your boy back at it again with another video. So, as you know, I've been working on the Tahoe a little bit, and the Blazer's sitting right in front of me. But I told you I made a little upgrades to the Tahoe. Put the rims on it, and I was supposed to do the wheel wells. I painted those, and now I'm working on something different today. So, today I want to call them side rails. I painted those black. Well, I did one side, and I'm working on the second side. So let me show you what I did with that. As you can see, this is the side that's not done. See how dull that looks? That look pretty dull. But these what the wheel wells look like. I did this last weekend. It's not the best paint job, but hey, it got it done. It's better than that dull black plastic look that I'm trying to get rid of. And here's the side that I did though. I just did it like maybe 5 minutes ago. All I did was rub it down with alcohol and just spray painted it with this spray paint right here. Got this one. Yeah. Hey. Just minor touches to the Tahoe. That's it. I gotta go get this thing washed. But as you can see, let me show a little before and after how it came out. Like I said, it's better than that. As you see, it's kind of dirty up under there because I've been driving around with it. Yeah, this is how the truck looks right here. And once I finish this driver's side, I'll just show y'all another how it looks, how it turned out. But that looked way better than what it did before with that dull plastic look, the old rims. Now I'm about to finish this side, which I gotta wipe down because I just stepped on it. But minor touches. Give y'all a good look at how it looks. But yeah, once I finish the other side, I'll cut it back on and show y'all how it turns out. This side gotta dry a little bit more. Gotta go over back in with another coat. But yeah, this is how it turned out, guys.